This video is about how to unsave pins on Pinterest. Let's get started. Pinterest is a visual discovery engine for finding ideas like recipes, home and style inspiration, and more. With billions of pins on Pinterest, you'll always find ideas to spark inspiration. Open your Pinterest profile, as I have opened. This is the main page of my profile. I will refresh it and then scroll down. To unsave the pin, simply press and hold the pin. You will see different options will appear. Press edit from them and a page like this will appear with options of a note to itself, alt text, and advanced settings. You can open them and see if you want to, and the last one will be delete this pin. Simply press last one. And a confirmation pop-up will appear. Press delete and your pin will be deleted. I will do the same process with another to unsave it. And this is also unsaved. If I refresh my profile, you can see the unsaved pins will be vanished from my profile. That's how you can unsave your pins on Pinterest. I hope you learned something from this video. If you have any question, don't hesitate to comment down below. And thank you for watching.